We all drive 580, 500, Mercedes, big houses, big bank accounts, big degree, everything, mashallah. Which is good. It's a blessing. It's a bounty. That's why the more that Allah has blessed us with, is the more we should share with other people. We should always be feeding people as a happiness from Allah. Because Allah has designed our Eid, our marriage, our Eid al-Adha, our Akikah, everything that we get and we celebrate, we share food. That's an Islamic thing. And every child you have, you share food. And every time you have a marriage, you share food. And if it's 4 wives, it's 4 walima. Prophet ﷺ encouraged the walima, yeah? Oh, yeah. Haven't we realized that even though we have all these big things, and we're in a worldly competition, when we die, what happens? The grave is the same size, eh? The grave is the same size. So it doesn't matter what we think we are on earth. It doesn't matter how much we think we have on earth. It doesn't matter what we think we are on earth. It doesn't matter what we possess on earth. When we go in that earth, is the same size we all going to go in this little grave. Yeah? And if we contemplate on that, and if we think about that, we'll try to be more loving with people. And I'm just saying, yeah, you hear a lot about money and sharing. That's a different. I'm talking about basic food that Islam tells us about. And again, remember, sharing food with people, friends, relatives, is a form of shukr of Allah. Thanks to Allah for the bounties that Allah has blessed us with. That's why Allah says, فَكُلُوا مِمَّا رَزَقَكُمُ اللَّهُ. Eat from the sustenance that Allah has given to us. Halalan tayyiba, halalan good. Washkuru ni'matallah. And do your shukr to Allah. That's why in Islam, in addition to eating and thanking Allah, in Islam, we share food with people as a form of thanks when Allah bestows us and bestow upon us bounties.